Hey my friends, I always acknowledge you all for your preference to choose my channel, especially when you watch news about different parts of the world where I present. Today I take you to Dar es Salaam, to Tanzania, and I want to show you the brand new EMU electric multiple unit trains that have started their routes, especially on 1st of November 2024. But this time I want to show you the differences between two countries, neighboring countries, Kenya and Tanzania. Yeah, as you know, the battle is still on the railways, whereby Tanzania, after inaugurating this electric line that is the first in Africa, the longest line in Africa ever known in African history, and it's said to be the 6th longest railway line in the world. And they inaugurated it some months ago. After inauguration, then the neighboring country of Kenya brought in a deluxe luxurious coaches, of which it brought a new history on railways in Kenya due to its luxurious nature, that it serves people from Mombasa to Nairobi and vice versa in a comfortable way compared to the previous. Anyway, it's not such a battle, but you know, these are the two giants in East African countries, and at the same time Tanzania also had already brought the EMU electric multiple unit trains, of which we are under tests, and on the 1st of November 2024 it inaugurated it, especially its lines from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma, about 444 kilometers from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma. Now, from Tanzanian side, the EMU electric multiple unit trains are basically used for the two classes, which are loyal class and business class. Now, the journey from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma and vice versa, it cost about 120,000 Tanzanian shillings for loyal class, while it cost about 100,000 only for a business class. Now, a citizen is free to choose whether to go by EMU electric multiple unit trains, of which of course is the highest class, or you can take an ordinary train that is also electric, of which it costs about 33,000 Tanzanian shillings from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma and vice versa. so you choose according to your pockets. And of course the EMU is more comfortable. You can't compare with the ordinary electric trains. Only that the EMU is faster and luxurious. I can tell you, even the body structure, it allows it to run faster than the ordinary electric trains that I've shown you in my other videos. So this is the side of Tanzania. And now the Madaraka train of Kenya also inaugurated a deluxe train coaches, which also it gives comfortability to people traveling from Mombasa to Nairobi, of almost the same distance like that of Dar es Salaam to Dodoma, I can say generally. Only that the price from Mombasa to Nairobi, if you opt to take a deluxe, the highest class, it costs about 12,000 Kenyan shillings, of which one could even take a plane. I think a flight from Malindi to Nairobi, it can reach as far as 12,000 shillings in ordinary time. But the Kenyan Railway dedicated these special coaches for the passengers who wants to enjoy their journey during holidays, or even for business issues, using the deluxe coaches, of which are very luxurious. This one you can find in big flights like Emirates, Qatar, and other prominent flights, but you experience it on rails as you move from Nairobi to Mombasa and vice versa. So guys, I wanted to show you these two differences, that even though the Kenyan executive first class coaches are that much luxurious, but the trains themselves are diesel powered. So you can understand that even the speed cannot be equal to that of electric trains of Tanzania and some other realities. So now, from you, my viewer, I wish you comment, you suggest, and you just tell how do you see the difference of these two countries which are in war, railway war, or battle through the railways. It's not a war as such, but we are neighbors, we love one another. But I just want to hear from you, which one you choose. Would we prefer just watch these two classes or three classes of Tanzania? I've shown you the loyal coach and the business coach, and this I've shown you the business class of Kenya. So I want to read from your comments, and this one also Kenya, I've got also the middle class, which is not luxurious like these ones as I've shown you. So guys, you can comment, you can share your opinion if you have ever been to this either of the two, be it in Kenya with these luxurious facilities that are available, or you have ever been to Tanzanian EMU, and give us your experience, or even outside these two countries. Maybe you should have some experience about the railways. So I welcome you all. I'm ready to read from you. Thank you, and until next time.